Hello everyone and welcome to Math Steps. In this video, we are going to learn about substitution into a formula. Let's have a look at the first example. The speed of a fallen object is found by the formula v equals 10t, right? If t equals 5, find v. So we need to find the value of v, the speed. And so we need to substitute. So if v equals 10t means 10 times t. So it's going to be 10 times, how much is t? Is 5. So 10 times 5. So v equals 50 in this case. Now, usually you will be given the measuring unit, but here we don't have any measuring unit for t. We don't know whether 5 is a seconds, t is the time. Okay, 5 is expressed in seconds or in hours, or v is meter per second, or kilometers per second, or per hour, so we don't know. So let's leave it like this, v equals 50, because we don't know exactly. So, but usually for formulas, you will be given the measuring units. All right, so let's have a look at the second example. Fare, and see the fare is expressed with the f of a taxi journey is given by this formula. F equals cm, so c times m, right? And c is the cost per kilometer, m is the number of kilometers traveled. Now, if c equals 40p and m equals 8 kilometers, what is the fare charged? You mean you need to find the f. So why don't you write the formula exactly as it is first, and then we substitute. So f equals how much is c? C equals 40p, so write 40 times how much is m? 8. Equals 40 times 8 is 320. Now here we have to be careful with the measuring unit. It says the cost per kilometer. It means 320 is going to be the cost per 8 kilometers. So it's going to be 320 p. And if we express this in pounds, and then the answer is going to be £3.20. Example number 3. The speed of a fallen object is found by the formula v equals u plus 10t. If u equals 8, t equals 5, find v. Again, we substitute. Let's write the formula as it is, u plus 10t. It just helps when you substitute. If you rewrite the formula again, and then we need to find the v equals u. How much is u? Is 8. 8 plus 10 times 5. T is 5. Right, and then we do the multiplication first. This is 50. V equals 8 plus 50. V equals 58. Just leave it like that, 58. Next example, t equals 3 plus 5v. So this is the formula. Work out the value of t for b equals 2, right? T equals 3 plus b times 2. And you can do this straight away. We do the multiplication first. Always be careful when you have more than one operation. Just remember that division, multiplication, and then addition, subtraction, addition. So put them two. So the problem, put division, multiplications. That's the order. Okay, so multiplication first. So the answer is going to be 13. Now, here, there's another formula for the cost of a newspaper is given by this one, C equals W plus 10. C is the charge in pound and W is the number of words used. What is the charge? Which means you need to find this one. You can put a little dot on top if you want, or underneath. What is the charge if 32 words are used? You mean, so W is 32. I'm going to let you substitute independently here. And the next one, Andy makes dresses and is paid using the formula P equals 4n plus 32. P is the pay in pounds, N is the number of dresses. He makes 5 dresses. What is the pay? So N is 5, okay? And if you substitute, it's going to be P equals 4 times 5 plus 32. Be careful with the operations there. Right, so you are going to do number 6 and number 5 independently. So substitution, when you substitute first, so you do them in order, it just makes the work so much easier. And it might look maybe easier when you have an equation in your test with substitution, but the only issue will be when you have different operations, and especially when you have negative numbers involved. So just be careful so that you get full marks. Thank you very much for watching Math Steps. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.